For us entrepreneurs, we usually have a lot of problems handling people. That's actually the basic problem. Ngayon nga, medyo nagkakaproblema kami sa business namin because the one person who is handling so many people under her had a personal problem with the husband. So, nagkagulo-gulo. So, she was forced to resign. Pag nag-resign yung taong may hawak ng madaming tao, sabog. Problema yan. So, any employee that you have will not perform if they have personal problems. The key here is to have a good relationship with that employee, so much so that whenever they have personal problems, you will be the number one person that they will come to and talk to. Pag wala kang ganong relationship, mahirap kasi nakikita mo pumapalpak, and then if you just keep on pinpointing yung kapalpakan nila, then you will lose that employee because what that employee really needs now is support.